Come in. I see. So you must be Brian, right?
Yeah, true.
My name is Aiman, so I'll be your credit officer for today. So
Okay.
please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Brian, excellent. So before we dive into the numbers, I just want to briefly explain to you how this interview of ours works. So my goal today isn't just to evaluate your application, but to make sure that the financing step facility that we offer is truly the right fit for your current financial situation. I also want to assure you that everything that we discuss here today is completely confidential under the Personal Data Protection Act. Your privacy is our priority.
I appreciate that, Aiman. Thank you for your transparency.
Okay, so based on this, what I say, the
Mm.
initial application form, I see that you're looking for a higher purchase loan, a car loan. So basically, is this for your son, I believe?
Yes, it's not for me, for my son. So he just got accepted into UMS, University Malaysia Sabah, for his degree. So the campus is really huge. So for his traveling back and forth, so I think uh, getting him a reliable local car like Proda Myvi will work for his safety travel.
Okay, that's a very wonderful. Congratulations to him to getting into UMS.
Uh,
It's a fantastic campus. So providing him with a safe transport is a great priority. So
Okay.
let's take a look at how we can structure this loan to comfortably support that goal. Okay, so let's start with the condition of the loan. So you are looking at Proda Myvi valued at roughly 5,000 ringgit for the tenure. Were you considering a 5-year, 7-year, or even a 9-year repayment period?
So I was thinking about 9 years repayment period to keep the monthly payment as low as possible.
That's a very common approach. A longer tenure does mean the lower monthly commitments, which is great for your daily cash flow. However, as your financial advisor today, I must transparently point out that a 9-year tenure means you have to pay more in total interest over the life of the loan. Also, cars do depreciate over time. Let's say that if you can affordably structure a 7-year loan, it might serve your family's wealth better in the long run. We can calculate both options very shortly.
Oh, I hadn't thought about the total interest accumulation. I think, yeah, let's compare both.
Okay, so we will do exactly just that. Now, regarding the capital, this refers to the down payment you are prepared to put towards the vehicle. So, according to these Bank Negara guidelines, it does require a minimum of 10% for vehicle financing.
Okay.
For a 50,000 ringgit car, there's a 5,000. Do you have these funds readily available for savings without depleting your emergency funds?
Yes, I've been saving up for this milestone. So I have the 5,000 ringgit ready for the down payment. So, and it will affect my household emergency savings.
Perfect. So showing this strong capital injection right from the start significantly strengthens your application. It reduces the financial amount to 45,000, which lowers your bank's risks. So next, I would like to discussing about the character. In banking terms, character means your financial track for record and stability. I see from your profile here that you've been working with your current employer for over 8 years now. Is it?
Yes, that's right. I've working for 8 years now, and I'm a senior executive there. So it's a very stable company.
That stability is a massive positive on our scoreboard. It shows consistency. I also ran a preliminary check on your CCIS report. This is the centralized system that tracks your credit history. I noticed that you have a credit card and an existing housing loan. Is it?
Yes, I always try to pay the mortgage on time, and I clear my credit card in full every month.
And your report reflects exactly just that. So
I
I
see.
see that there are no late payments of areas in the last 12 months of your reports. These excellent repayment habits give the banks a high confidence in your commitment to honor your debts. So thank you for maintaining such a strong record. It makes my job so much easier. Okay, so now we are reached the most critical part for this our assessment here, which is I want to see the capacity. This is
Okay.
where we ensure that taking on this new car loan will place an undue financial burden on your family. So can I ask for your latest payslip?
Payslip. Okay.
All right.
Here.
All right. Okay, so it shows here that your gross monthly payment is 6,000 ringgit. So after statutory deduction like EPF, SOC, SO, and income tax,
Okay.
basically your net income comes to roughly 5,100. Is it correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, great. So we must use this formula called the debt service ratio or DSR. So we take all your fixed monthly bank commitment and divide them by your net income. So currently, your housing loan is 1,500 a month. So since you clear your credit card fully, we only calculate the 5% of the outstanding balance as a commitment, which is negligible for right now. So if we go with the 7-year loan for the 45,000 ringgit financing at an estimated flat interest rate of 3%, your monthly installment will be around 678 ringgit.
Oh, 648. Okay, that sounds good.
All right. So with your new total money commitments will be 1,500 mortgage plus the 648 car loan, totaling around, let's say here, 2,148 ringgit. Dividing that by your net income of 5,100 give us a DSR of about 42%.
Oh, is 42% considered good or bad?
It is considered very good. In fact, it is very healthy. For your income bracket, the bank's minimum allowable DSR is typically around 60%. At 42%, you still have plenty of buffer of living expenses, your son's university fees, and savings. So it's because your capacity is so strong, I feel comfortable recommending the 7-year tenure over the 9-year. It saves you money, and you can easily handle the monthly capacity.
Oh, that's make a lot of sense. So let's proceed with 7 years plan then. I appreciate you taking the time to explain the DSR to me.
I'm glad that we found the right balance. So we next take a look at your collateral. So for a higher purchasing facility, the car itself act as a security for the loan because the bank technically owns the car until the final payment is made. There are few ethical and legal responsibilities that I must highlight for you. Is it all right?
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So first, since the car is in your name, you are legally responsible for the payments, even though your son will be the driver for this car at UMS. Secondly, comprehensive motor insurance is mandatory every year to protect the collateral.
Okay, I understood. So I will be handling the payment and the insurance renewal myself.
Okay, perfect. So lastly, I want to tell you upfront to you about the late payments. Let's say if the installment is overdue, a late payment penalty of 8% per annum calculated daily will be charged onto the overdue amount. Furthermore, if the payments into arrears for more than 2 consecutive months, the bank has no choice and has the legal rights to initiate repossession procedures. I'm telling you this not to worry you. Your track record is flawless. It's because I believe in 100% transparency with my clients before they sign anything.
Oh, I respect that, Aiman. So it's better to have everything on the table. So I'm completely clear on the terms.
Excellent. So based on our interview and my assessment on the 5C, basically your profile is exceptionally strong. So I will formally recommending this application for approval on my credit scorecard.
That is a relief to hear. So what are the next steps?
It's simple. I just need your signature here on the PDPA consent form and the final application declaration. So I will process through this through our legal system today. You should receive an SMS notification within 48 hours.
Oh,
Okay, so once approved, we will arrange a time for you to come back and sign the formal hire purchase agreement.
okay. So here, that's it.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. You have been incredibly helpful and thorough for this session.
Okay, Brian. So it is my pleasure. So thank you again.
Okay, so thank you.
All right, you're welcome.